How to enable JavaScript on Brave browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Brave browser. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, then click on settings. And here you want to scroll down to the general section, and from there click on site settings and then click on JavaScript. And here you will see the JavaScript option and it says blocked, and next to it you see a toggle that's turned off. Click on that toggle to turn it on, and once you do that you will see that the JavaScript option has been activated and turned on. And as you can see, it tells you that this will allow sites to run JavaScript, which is recommended. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can activate and turn on the JavaScript on the Brave browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.